Hey guys, Chicago injury lawyer Scott DeSalvo here, also known as My Injury Guy, shooting another video for you. So the topic of today's video is what happens if I get hurt in a hit and run. Okay, so I was talking to a lady who was driving, minding her own business, got involved in a hit and run accident where she had the green light. It was a four-way intersection. And the driver, she thought 4 or 5 people were in the car. They just flew right through the light. She was halfway through. She got T-boned. Big hit, right? But she was really nervous and upset that it was a hit and run because even though their car was almost destroyed, they just kept going. So she called me not knowing what to do. And, you know, by the time she called me, she had already done almost everything right. She had gotten a police report. She had followed up with the police to see if they ever identified the car or found it, because it was pretty badly damaged. And if they found the car, they could at least get a VIN number or a license plate, and we could, from that, we can see if there's insurance on it or what, right? And she also went to the doctor. I mean, she was pretty shaken up, but she was already feeling pain on the day of the accident. If you watch some of my other videos, you know that that's what I always recommend people to do, because you get one body in this life and there's no injury or illness that benefits from a delay in diagnosis or treatment. In other words, figuring out what's wrong and trying to fix it. The faster you get after it, the faster you get better and you can get on with your life. So that's why I tell people, always get checked out if you have any doubt, right? It also makes for a stronger injury case, but that's a secondary concern in my book. So what do you need to know about a hit and run? Well, the first thing you need to know is that in Illinois, as in most states, when you buy car insurance, they have to offer you uninsured and underinsured motorist coverage, right? So whenever I get a hit and run case, I always look for the other car, because we want that other driver and the other car owner or driver's insurance to be responsible to pay everything. But what happens if we never find out what car it was, who was driving it, or any of that stuff? What do we do? Does that mean you can't make a recovery? No, not at all. That's where uninsured motorist insurance coverage comes into play, and you probably are automatically covered with it. So when you have that, you're going to be covered. So your medical is going to get covered. You're going to be covered just as if the other driver had insurance, right? And there's some advantages and some disadvantages to making a claim through uninsured motorist, but for the most part, I will tell you, I have been able to get injured people a heck of a lot of money over the years on cases where they were worried that in a hit and run, they were out of luck. And it's the same even if they don't run. If they hit you, they're identified, and they don't have insurance, you can still make an uninsured motorist claim. And you can claim all the damages you could as if we went to court against the actual person who ran into you and hurt you. So that means all your medical bills, your lost wages, your pain and suffering, your loss of a normal life or disability, your future damages, your car damages, your personal property, on and on and on. You can make every claim. So that's the beauty of uninsured motorist. Sometimes people ask me, well, if I make an uninsured motorist claim, will my insurance rates go up? And I will tell you that I think in 25 years, I've only had 2 clients ever tell me that their rates went up. But I got a news flash for you. I have a really good driving record. I don't get into accidents and I don't make claims. My insurance goes up almost every year anyway. So, you know, I wouldn't worry about it too much. Insurance companies are going to raise your rates no matter what, because they're greedy and they know you're stuck under the law getting the insurance. So, you know, if you have an injury, the amount of money you'll probably get out of your injury case will more than offset any increase in your insurance that they were probably going to put on you anyway. So anyway, that's the benefit of my experience in this business. And that's pretty much all I had to tell you. On that topic, I'm almost at my destination anyway. So thanks so much for being a viewer, a subscriber. If you have a question, leave it down below. Please watch till the very end. I have some killer resources for you for free. I have a free book, a free DVD. I've got my quizzes that I'll tell you more about. So thanks for watching. Anything I can do for you, 312-500-4500. Have a great day. Thanks for watching. Thanks for watching. If you or anyone you know has been hurt in an accident and needs a lawyer or even just has questions, give me a call anytime, day or night, at 312-500-4500. You can call me anytime, day or night, and the consultation is free. That's 312-500-4500. Or if you're not ready to talk to a lawyer, I made 2 great tools that really help people out that you can use for free on my website. The links are in the description. The first one is called the Case Cash Calculator, and it tells you what your case might be worth. The other is called the Good Case Calculator, and it tells you whether you might have a good case or you might have a case with some challenges. The best part is that they're 100% free to use on my website, and it only takes you 20 seconds flat to answer 7 multiple choice questions right off the top of your head. And then you get custom information about your particular injury situation fast and for free. So check them out, links in the description. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving it a like and subscribing to my channel. I release 2 new videos every week, and this way you'll get notice of them. And if you have a question you'd like answered in a video, just leave a comment with your question in the comments section. Finally, if you enjoy my videos or if I've helped you in any way, I hope you'll consider doing me a favor. Injury law is a very competitive field, and I like having a small independent firm so I can help people who need it. People really rely on Google reviews when deciding who to hire, so I hope you'll consider leaving me a 5-star review on Google. It only takes a few seconds, but it's a favor to me that I would really appreciate. The link is in the description. You just go to that link, click 5 stars, say a kind word, hit submit, and you're done. Once again, I hope you and your family are well, and if anyone you know needs an injury lawyer or has questions, please send them my way by calling 312-500-4500. Thanks again for watching. Take care.
312-500-4500. If you got hurt, you gotta give them a try. Call my injury guy.
Call my injury guy.
312